In this first captivating Ring doorbell footage, a young-looking man is captured standing suspiciously in front of someone's door, accompanied by another boy waiting on the street. When the homeowner intervenes, the young man decides to make a hasty exit. In a surprising move, he leaps over a barricade and swiftly leaves the premises.
Can I help you? What's up?
I want to tell you a knock joke.
What was that? Nah, I'm good, man.
In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he confidently walks into someone's porch. With a purposeful stride, he picks up a valuable package left outside the house, his actions portraying a sense of assurance. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he attempts to open someone's door in front of their house, just moments before ringing the doorbell. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the homeowner answers the door, engaging the man in conversation and questioning his actions.
Hi, hello, Kevin. How you doing? So I'm here to meet Mike. Am I in the right place?
No, but why are you opening my door? Why are you grabbing it like you open?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he rummages through someone's possessions, clearly on the hunt for valuables. However, his efforts are in vain, and as he fails to find what he's looking for, his frustration becomes evident. With disappointment and anger, he eventually leaves the scene. In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a woman is captured as she gains access to someone's porch. Armed with a flashlight, she carefully examines the area, on the lookout for valuable items to potentially take with her. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he stands at someone's porch, attempting to break into a house. His actions reveal a concerning intent, raising questions about his motivations and the security of the property. In this thought-provoking Ring doorbell footage, a young-looking man is captured as he talks to himself while approaching someone's front door. His actions hint at a unique and possibly introspective encounter, leaving us wondering about the thoughts that occupy his mind.
Hey, twin. I see you protecting my ring. I'm proud of you. I see your house. You out here doing your shit. Good job, twin. I'm proud of you. I love you, twin.
In this unusual nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he approaches someone's property while unclothed and displaying erratic behavior. The situation takes a surreal turn as his actions stand out against the backdrop of the night. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a passerby is captured as they hurriedly turn to inspect someone's porch for valuables. Their intentions become clear as they make a swift decision to leave with the flower and vase that were on display.
Fuck off.
In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he enters someone's property, embarking on a search through the area. The situation takes an unexpected turn as he flees with a pillow from a chair, leaving us with questions about his motivations. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured in front of someone's house, his actions hinting at a potentially suspicious intent. He looks around and peeps, seemingly searching for a possible way to access the property or pick up any valuables he might spot. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he covers himself with a hoodie, his intent apparent. With a cautious demeanor, he searches for anything he can steal from someone's porch, leaving us with a glimpse into the world of potential theft.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man wearing a mask is captured as he gains access to someone's porch. His intentions become clear as he systematically picks up all the valuable items he finds, leaving us with a chilling glimpse into a potential theft. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he walks into someone's property with a clear objective. He takes advantage of a package left outside the door, making it apparent that his intent is to claim it for himself. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured as he enters someone's property, conducting a search of the area. The situation takes a surprising turn as he spots a recording camera and swiftly decides to remove it, adding a layer of intrigue to his actions.
Are currently being recorded.
In this gripping nighttime Ring doorbell footage, a man in a hoodie is captured as he attempts to break through a barricade on a property. The tension escalates when the security alarm suddenly blares, causing him to swiftly flee the scene. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is captured on a porch, his actions raising suspicion. Without hesitation, he picks up items that were left outside the house, his intentions shrouded in mystery. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man in a sweatshirt and a mask is captured as he gets out of a car, his intentions becoming clear. He instructs the driver to position the vehicle strategically, with the aim of easily towing away a parking car transporter outside someone's home, all without the owner's permission. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.